Hello from FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show you the location on how to change the oil filter of Toyota Avensis T250 produced from 2003 till 2009. The oil filter, it's a changing and location in a very easy place. It's under the car, just on the left. If you're in front of the car, just on the left of the sump. That's a paper filter inside. You have to use tool to just release it. The corpus of the filter, then you can the rest you can do it by hand. Yeah, now take the oil filter out, then change the O-rings, the rubber O-rings. When there's two O-rings, they're coming in complete with the new filter. Change it, then put oil all around it. Don't tight the O-rings when they are dry. Always put oil around it. Cover with oil. And the other things you have to know when you're changing the oil of any car, you have the temperature of the engine have to be at least 60 degrees. If it's cold, if the oil is cold, the engine is cold, lots of oil is going to stay on the walls of the engine and then mix with the new oil. Now here we're changing the O-rings. There's two O-rings on this filter. Then put the new filter, press it until it clicks, and back on the place. Tight it by hand at the beginning to feel that the threads it's going in properly. Then you can use the tool. Thank you very much for visiting our channel. That one it's a FIX Sevt AUTO, and the other one it's a Peter's Garage. Thank you.